Welcome to the July 2025 Hero Studio Layering Stencil of the Month called Just Keep Going. Let's take a look at this month's product. The Just Keep Going stencil set includes 4 layering stencils that together spell out the encouraging phrase, just keep going. Each stencil highlights different sections of the letters, giving you the freedom to mix and match colors for bold, creative ink blending results. Designed with easy-to-use registration squares in each corner, aligning your layers is simple and precise. Although this set is designed to fit on an A2 portrait card, I wanted to switch things up and use it on a landscape card. To do this, I simply aligned the top 2 registration squares of the stencil with the top edge of my landscape-oriented white cardstock. This keeps everything level and centered while giving the phrase a fresh horizontal layout. I started ink blending with Arctic ink and a Hero Arts blending brush for the first layer. For the second layer, I moved into Paradise ink, deepening the tone. The third layer brings in a richer pop with Bermuda ink, adding beautiful contrast and dimension to the letters. Finally, for the star accents in the fourth layer, I added a splash of dandelion ink. To finish off the card, I'm bringing in an assembled die-cut image from the July 2025 Card Kit of the Month. I used it as a visual guide along with the large nesting rectangle die to determine the perfect placement for my focal point. Next, I added the assembled die-cut image to the inked panel using foam squares for a bit of dimension. I wanted to introduce a little extra color, so I customized the die cut by recutting the pans from Sicily and Coral cardstock. Thank you for joining. We can't wait to see your creations.